Arduino is, simply put, a small computer capable of turning on and off power that it gives through different ports. It can be used to create extremely intricate or very simple circuits. It works by sending power through a digital port, which is carried by a wire to the correct output, which could be any number of things ranging from an LED, buzzer, to even a servo. The Arduino is capable of taking in information through its analog ports, which can then, depending on how well it was coded, use that information to do other things, such as when a variable resistor, also known as a potentiometer or pot, controls a series of LEDs, just like the example shown on screen. A pot is simply just a knob. When it is turned, it lets less or more current flow through it. When it is hooked up correctly, the position it is in will be used to tell the lights to turn on or off. I think the best part about doing multiple smaller projects instead of one large one allowed me to learn more about what Arduino actually is capable of. It is a great tool and usable on so many different levels, but the best part was that I was able to experience those levels at a much better pace than I would have if I had a large, defined project. All in all, I thought it was a very fun and entertaining project. While it could be hard at times, it was always awesome to see what I had wanted to happen actually happen. The last, and what I thought was the most interesting of my smaller projects, was when I was working with an RGB LED. An RGB LED, whose letters stand for red, green, and blue, is capable of lighting up to any color, creating a huge range of possibilities. My final work was to set up two pots to control the amount of red and green within this LED. I would have done three colors, but I didn't have an extra pot pin. Uh, it was cool to see your code and actual physical project coming together, and the physical aspect of interaction really made everything visual.